Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Nudges and Behavioral Interventions. Nudges and behavioral interventions significantly influence economic decisions by subtly guiding individuals towards more beneficial behaviors without restricting their freedom of choice. A nudge, as conceptualized by Thaler and Sunstein, leverages insights from psychology and behavioral economics to design choice architectures that improve decision-making outcomes. These subtle prompts can lead to profound changes in behavior, often with minimal cost compared to traditional economic incentives or regulations. One of the most compelling examples of a nudge is the use of default options. Research has shown that defaults can significantly influence participation rates in retirement savings programs. For instance, when employees are automatically enrolled in a 401 plan, participation rates skyrocket compared to when they must opt in actively. This phenomenon occurs because inertia and status quo bias lead individuals to stick with the preselected option, even when opting out is easy. Thus, policymakers can dramatically improve savings behavior simply by changing the default. Behavioral interventions extend beyond defaults to include other strategies such as framing effects, social norms, and commitment devices. Framing effects demonstrate that the way choices are presented can significantly influence decisions. For example, Tversky and Kahneman's research on prospect theory illustrates that individuals are more likely to choose a medical treatment when it is framed in terms of survival rates rather than mortality rates. This cognitive bias can be harnessed to promote healthier behaviors or better financial decisions by carefully considering how options are described. Social norms also play a crucial role in shaping economic behavior. People often look to others for cues on how to behave, especially in uncertain situations. Utilizing this tendency, interventions that highlight positive behavior trends can be effective. For instance, energy consumption can be reduced by informing households about their neighbors' lower energy use, thereby leveraging the desire to conform to social norms. Such interventions can be more effective than financial incentives as they tap into intrinsic motivations and the human inclination towards social conformity. Commitment devices are another powerful tool within the realm of nudges and behavioral interventions. These devices help individuals stick to their long-term goals by restricting future choices or creating consequences for non-compliance. One classic example is Thaler and Sunstein's Save More Tomorrow program, which encourages employees to commit to gradually increasing their retirement savings contributions whenever they receive a raise. This approach leverages loss aversion and the tendency to procrastinate on financial decisions, resulting in substantially higher savings rates over time. Moreover, loss aversion, a central tenet of prospect theory, can be employed to design effective interventions. People tend to prefer avoiding losses over acquiring equivalent gains. This insight has been applied in various contexts, such as incentivizing teachers by paying them up front with the understanding that they must return the money if students do not achieve specific academic goals. Studies have shown this method to be more effective in improving student performance than traditional bonus systems. Behavioral interventions also capitalize on the principle of bounded rationality, which suggests that individuals have limited cognitive resources and often rely on heuristics to make decisions. Simplifying complex choices can help individuals make better decisions by reducing cognitive overload. For instance, simplifying the enrollment process for social welfare programs can significantly increase participation rates among eligible individuals. Such interventions acknowledge the cognitive limits of decision-makers and aim to make the decision-making process more manageable. While nudges and behavioral interventions offer promising tools for improving economic decisions, they must be designed and implemented carefully to avoid ethical concerns. Critics argue that nudging can be paternalistic and manipulative, potentially undermining individual autonomy. To address these concerns, Thaler and Sunstein advocate for libertarian paternalism, which aims to steer people toward better choices while preserving their freedom to choose otherwise. Transparency and accountability in the design and implementation of nudges are crucial to maintaining public trust and ensuring ethical integrity. Empirical evidence supports the effectiveness of nudges and behavioral interventions across various domains, including health, finance, education, and environmental conservation. For example, Halsworth et al. Demonstrated that sending personalized letters from doctors to patients who had missed influenza vaccination appointments significantly increased vaccination rates. The letter leveraged social norms and personalized communication to nudge individuals toward a beneficial health behavior. Similarly, behavioral interventions have been employed to improve tax compliance, with studies showing that reminders emphasizing social norms and the consequences of non-compliance can increase timely tax payments. In the financial domain, nudges have been used to promote better borrowing and repayment behaviors. Research by Bertrand et al. Found that simplifying loan offer letters and highlighting key terms reduced the likelihood of borrowers accepting high-cost loans. These findings underscore the importance of clear and straightforward communication in aiding individuals to make more informed financial decisions. In education, behavioral interventions have been shown to enhance student performance and engagement. For instance, interventions that provide students with timely feedback, set specific goals, and offer rewards for meeting those goals have been effective in improving academic outcomes. These interventions leverage principles of goal-setting theory and operant conditioning to motivate students and reinforce positive behaviors. Environmental conservation efforts have also benefited from the application of nudges. Research by Ferraro and Price demonstrated that providing households with information about their water usage relative to their neighbors led to significant reductions in water consumption. This intervention capitalized on social comparison and the desire to conform to community standards, resulting in more sustainable water use practices. Despite the successes of nudges and behavioral interventions, it is essential to recognize their limitations and the need for continuous evaluation. Not all nudges work in every context, and the effectiveness of an intervention can vary based on cultural, social, and individual differences. Therefore, rigorous testing and adaptation are necessary to ensure that interventions are both effective and appropriate for the target population. In conclusion, nudges and behavioral interventions offer valuable insights and tools for improving economic decisions by leveraging psychological principles. These strategies can lead to significant behavior changes with minimal cost and effort, making them an attractive complement to traditional economic policies. However, careful consideration of ethical concerns, transparency, and continuous evaluation is crucial to maximize their benefits and maintain public trust. As the field of behavioral economics continues to evolve, the integration of psychological factors into economic decision-making promises to enhance our understanding and ability to influence human behavior in meaningful ways. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.